Hello, welcome to your digital home in Notion. Think like a digital interior designer. It's Marie Kondo for your digital life because that can be messy. Sometimes when you don't know where to find stuff or like who was I supposed to meet, and yeah, it just feels like everything's all over the place. But now it doesn't have to. Woo! Home is, I'm going to show you. This is just the outline so we can see it visually. Home is where you start, and we have information, can be ideas, recipes, anything like a unicorn cake recipe, schedule, eat a unicorn cake, archive. Maybe something that you're not gonna do, like a unicorn shark movie. It's a good idea, but not right now. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to show you. Okay, so we start here. This is the Shire, I think, from Lord of the Rings because it's cozy. So yeah, welcome to your digital home. Like I said, it's like a castle where everything you have lives, and there's gonna be different rooms. So we're gonna go to them. And my name is Sophia, and this is what I look like sometimes. And yeah, I have ADHD, so for me, I struggle with organization. That's why I think I am pretty nerdy about this kind of productivity and organization stuff. I also love Japanese language, so yeah, this is how you can contact me. Okay, so yeah, so we are on this digital home, the first site, and I want to show you that this can be a dashboard. It's like where you start. If you're a pilot, you would have, you can see your document, you can see everything that you need to see. Like, I don't know what you need as a pilot, but everything you have it when you need it. And maybe today is take out the trash. Wow, it disappeared. Nice. Because I did some settings. I don't think it's relevant right now. It's more like what is this place? Notion has a lot of features, filter, sort. I made it so that if something is done, it's not going to show up here. Basically, everything that is due today is going to show up here. It can be nice if you don't need to see all your tasks if they don't are due to today. It can be pretty stressful. Yeah, I'm checking the time here. I didn't know how to remove this, and I thought it was stressful, so that's what I'm doing. Okay, so let's go into your information. Yes. And yeah, it can be recipe, how to do bookkeeping. You open a page like this. Yes. Cry. Ask someone. Be happy that you asked someone. And this is how you close it. So in Notion, everything is a page. I have side peek because I think it's very, side peek is super convenient because you can open it a little bit so you can see everything still. And I made something that's called related tasks. So maybe this unicorn recipe is useful for when you're going to bake that cake. So I'm going to show you. Um, let's go to the schedule. Yes, the schedule. Things you're going to do. Take out the trash, watch Megalodon. And I think just this is a nice feature when you can see the information you need that is like connected to a task. This setup is pretty simple. So it's just like, I didn't divide it like task projects or if you're a company, customer relation management. It's just like super, like here's your home. And there's a lot of things to say about Notion. How do you do this? How do you use everything? Because Notion, you can do a lot of things in it. This is more for explaining the workspace. And the last thing is, like I said, an archive. So archive is like a wind, things you don't use. Like maybe you got hyper focused, or you kind of researched a lot about cupcakes one night, but it's not relevant right now. You just put stuff here. It's your wind. Attic, because it's like it's okay that we have a lot of information. We just don't need to see it all the time. So yeah, please let me know if you have any questions. This is a template that is free. You can duplicate it. Just click on the link and it will say duplicate, but you're going to need a Notion space to be able to use it. So I'm going to provide a link for Notion too. Thank you for watching.